Okay, so how do we create a lead magnet chatbot? How do we deliver to our leads our lead magnets, our freebies, our free webinars or masterclasses? How do we get them to subscribe? On today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this in Manychat. And also, I'm going to give you some marketing tips so that you can have the best flow and engagement with your leads. So stay tuned. Hey, my name is Ana Andrea, and in this channel, you will be learning about chat marketing, customer service tips and tricks, neuromarketing, and more techie tutorials of my favorite tools. Enjoy the next video. Okay, so while I share my screen, before I do that, I want to let you know a few things that you need before you create a lead magnet chatbot. So you gotta first know what you're going to deliver. What is your lead magnet? Where is it being hosted? Are you going to deliver it through a Google Drive? Do you already have a landing page or a funnel that you want to share in your messenger? That's also fine. Do you want to collect emails inside the messenger bot and get rid of the first landing page of your funnel and just get them to register on your Manychat flow and then sending them to the digital goods information? You have to decide what you want to do and what you want the leads to do inside the bot. Do you just want it to send a message so they get the link so they register to your funnel? That's perfect. And that keeps it simple. And that's super good because keeping it simple is the best strategy we can use online. So the other way, the second way that's also simple is to create a flow where we collect emails, inside the flow, and we get either Zapier or internal integrations inside of Manychat, send the information through email. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you that version because the other version just requires two messages. The first message to welcome and for them to engage so that they really want it. And then you send them a message with another note and the link so they go to your landing page. But the second option requires a little bit more flows. So that's what I'm going to show you today. And if you want this template and the instructions of how to install it, go to the description box below on YouTube and you will find a link so you can get this information so you can install it for your fan page. And it's generic. So you're going to be able to change anything and everything inside of it. But the idea is that you have the flow and the connection created correctly because I'm going to do it for you. So I'm going to go inside Manychat and I'm going to show you how we create a chatbot lead magnet deliverer. That's what we're going to call it. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so we're inside Manychat, and as you can see, we're inside the flows section here on the column on the left-hand side, and we're going to create a folder for this lead magnet chatbot. So lead magnet chatbot flows. We're gonna create it. We're gonna double click on it, and we're going to go to the top right-hand corner where the new flow button is. So we're gonna click on it. We're going to add a name to it. Make sure it's actually descriptive so you know where it is and what it's called. So in this case, it's gonna be called Lead Magnet Chatbot Flow by Ana Andrea. We're gonna create it. And we got the first starting step. We haven't added the trigger yet because we're going to do that at the end. You can add any type of trigger, and I'm going to show you in the growth tools what options we have. In this case, for this scenario, I'm just going to add it to a ref URL link. Sorry, sometimes the acronyms are hard for me. So that your URL link will just be sent to my leads and shared everywhere as a normal link that I'm going to make it pretty with pretty links inside of my WordPress website, and people are just gonna click on that and continue on Messenger and get the message immediately. So since they already know what they're getting into, we're just gonna remind them and ask confirmation that they want the information. Sometimes people click on links accidentally, and we don't want those people to get annoyed. So we're gonna have to add a message to confirm. And also, because this way, two things happen. The first thing, the person is gonna subscribe to your messenger list. They have to take an action first in order to subscribe to the messenger list, and for you to be able to see their personal profile, their pic on their profile and their name, and also some general information like their sex, if they're female or male, and their time zones, where are they located, if they have that available on their profiles as a public information. So it depends what your leads have as public information, what's going to show for you in the user's box in the live chat. So what do? We say hello, and we ask, and we say the first name, because people love to hear their names. So we say, hello, first name. We are so happy you are here. And then we're gonna add an emoji. I have this Chrome extension that's called Joy Pixels. And this, give me a second. I need to log out of there so it doesn't keep bringing. Okay, so Joy Pixels, that's the Pixel Chrome extension that I use. It's absolutely free. It has way more options than the normal Manychat emojis section, which is right here on the gray area where it has the smiley, see? The parentheses where we grab the tags like the first name, last name. Maybe we need to pull up their phone number, their email, their language, or we have special tags and what are they called? They are called, there's a name for this. I forgot. User fields, that's the name for it. Okay, so we add emojis. We can also add GIFs and images. In this case, I would add a small image here. I will drag it to the top and put it before, and I'm going to upload an image, and probably gonna be like my face. We're gonna look here real fast for something that we could pull up. Actually, I'm just gonna use a GIF. In this case, I'm gonna use one of my favorite ones. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, so I'm not very organized. Here it is, Anna from Frozen, because my name is Anna, so I love Anna. I love that a Disney character finally has my name on it. I know we're not gonna be talking about that today, but it's just a gift that I love, that's very excited. You could use a picture, you could use a GIF, you could just not use anything and just send a message. That is fine. I love to have GIFs because those are part of my personality, and I want my bot to have a personality as well. And you want to personalize your bot and make it have a personality. So I'm gonna say, yay, hello, first name, we're so happy that you're here. Are you ready to install your own chatbot lead magnet flow? And we're gonna add a button. We're gonna add a button title that says, heck yeah, I'm ready. Or just, yeah, I'm ready, and an emoji here. Emojis are good on buttons too. They're awesome. Let's see. We'll add this. Yeah, I'm ready. Okay, and this message, this button is gonna be connected to a message. There are a few ways for you to add this. You could add it here. When the button is pressed, you send the message. You can send them to a link. In this case, we're going to send them to a message because we want them to subscribe inside the bot with the email. And I'm going to show you how to connect Manychat with Zapier so we can send emails in GetResponse, because GetResponse is the autoresponder that I use. I really like it. And the app is super cool for GetResponse, and that's why I really like it, because I can manage my emails on the go. And we're going to create actually a list on GetResponse so we can connect it. Anyway, so this is the first way. The other way is just grabbing the little circle here, putting the arrow into the dashboard, clicking on send message. Okay, so we're going to go here and explicitly tell them that we're going to subscribe them to a list. If they agree, they should submit their email below. So let's do that. Awesome. I knew you were an action taker. And a wink. An action taker to get the full training. You need to subscribe to the list by giving us your email address. And then we're going to add a delay. Here at the bottom, we have options that we can add to the flow. So we're going to add a delay. We're going to make it 5 seconds, and then we're going to add an user input. This is only available with the pro version of Manychat. That's $10 a month, starting the first month with 500 subscribers. So we're going to say, please tap your email or type the best email where to send you this info. And then I'm going to put some fingers pointing down. And why do I say tap your email? It's because we're going to add here the reply type, which is going to be email. And what happens is that Facebook automatically pulls the user's email that they're using with that Facebook account, and it pops up and shows there. Now that's a little creepy, yes, but it's also efficient and easy for the user, and a lot of people just love it and just tap it, and most of the people are using their main email for Facebook. Some people like me are not using the same email for Facebook than for any social, all the social media accounts have a different email in my case. Different reasons, very crazy reasons sometimes, and I don't suggest that for you, actually. But yeah, so now what we're going to do is we're going to enable this option to be able to send emails to your subscribers. If we do that, we can send emails directly from Manychat. Manychat also has an email autoresponder service. Now, in my case, in this video as well, the case of the video is we're going to use GetResponse. And in GetResponse, for it to work, we're going to not click on this. We're gonna save the response to a custom field. And if you don't have it, I have it here. You just type it, email address. Okay, you can call it just email. In my case, I just have it as email. So we're just gonna click here, email address. And then I'm going to add LM as lead magnet. And this is going to pop up. It says custom attributes let you save info about your subscribers, store user emails, phones, appointments, behavior, or anything else you wish. Later, you can segment your audience based on this data. So this is like super powerful. So in this case, we're gonna leave the name like this, and then we're gonna leave it as text, okay? And we're not gonna add a description because we know what email is, right? So we're just gonna create it. Okay, we're gonna click on it, and that's the custom field that's going to appear that we're gonna need, okay? It says retry message if the answer is invalid. If they don't write the correct email, it's gonna say this message is going to pop up. It says, please enter the correct email address at da 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 da. If you would like to skip this, tap skip. If they skip it, they're not gonna get the email. So, but we have to give them an easy way out in case people just don't want to give that information out. Now, they won't get the lead magnet info if they don't give us their email. So it's a give and give kind of situation. We're gonna go to GetResponse. Yes, it's in Spanish. I'm gonna create a list and I'll be right back, okay? Okay, we've created this list and we're gonna go to Zapier. It's gonna ask you to sign in with your Zapier account. In this case, we're gonna use, let me see. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make a SAP. We're gonna choose an app or event. We're gonna choose Manychat. Okay, it says choose trigger event. We're gonna trigger new or updated custom field. Remember, we created a field on Manychat flow. This is what we're gonna use. We're gonna click on continue. We're going to add the Manychat account. And the account is expired, so we're gonna reconnect it here. So we're gonna click here. Okay, and it's gonna ask me to connect. Find the right page and connect it. And you can see it only works with pro accounts. And we're waiting on Zapier. Okay, now we click on continue. And we choose a custom field. So remember the name we chose, the custom field? It's right here. It says email address LM. Bam. How cool. Then we click on continue. We test the trigger. And they found the custom field. So it works. Now we're going to click on continue. And now we're going to get response. And then we're gonna choose an action on event. We're gonna choose create contact, continue. And then we're gonna select the GetResponse account. And it's connected. If it's not connected for you, you gotta follow the instructions and connect it. We're gonna click on continue. I'm gonna choose the value. So I'm gonna choose the list that we want this to get signed into. So What was the name of that list? Here it is at the end, lead magnet chatbots. Okay, then it says required email. So what we're going to do is we're gonna find the custom field we created again. So we're gonna type email, and here it is. Email address, LN. Okay, is blank. We're first name and last name together like that. We're gonna leave this blank unless you want to ask for their birthday. We would leave all this blank. Origin, we leave it from, it says Zapier. I would say Manychat, registrant. And then we continue. We test. And SAP is ready. Now we turn it on. Bam. Now it's ready. Now we just have to create an email on GetResponse as an autoresponder for here on the menu, go to autoresponders, and that's where we would create a newsletter with the information for those who subscribe through the messenger bot. Okay, so what we're going to do actually is set up here a reply for those who submit the email, and we will say thank you for subscribing. We hate spam, so we promise not to spam you. Look out for your email inbox where you will get all this cool info. All the info or the information. What I would do is I would actually create a tag on the action reply, add a tag, subscribed to lead magnet chatbot flow, enter. I like to create tags out of everything because later we can use them to segment. So that's good. And here, gotta make sure that they know that they are getting subscribed to a list. So it says, I knew you were, I gotta double check, okay? If you agree to sign up, please tap your email or type the best email where to send you this info. Okay, now that we've done that, we're gonna add a delay. It's gonna be 8 seconds. And enough time for them to be able to read this. And I'm actually gonna add their name here. First name, thank you. So it's more personalized. And another emoji. And then we can add here another message that says, if you have any questions, please reply here. We will be happy to assist you. And PS, if you want to unsubscribe from getting messages, reply with the word stop. Yes, we always have to give them an easy way out. So we're gonna then publish it, and that's it. That's all you need to create a lead magnet chatbot flow using Zapier, GetResponse, and Manychat. And it's all easy. All you have to invest is less than $30 a month between Manychat, GetResponse, and Zapier. And you can deliver your lead magnets through a messenger chatbots, and they would get it through email. So that's how you do this chatbot flow. I hope that you liked it. If you did, remember to subscribe to this channel where I'm going to keep posting videos to help you grow your coaching business online, your online business, so that you can get more automation, leverage, make more sales, better quality leads, and make a bigger impact in each and every one of your leads, because people open their messages way more than they open their emails. So thank you so much again for being here. And remember that there's more trainings up here if you need to know more about Manychat's features and messenger bots and anything that has to do with marketing and automation. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for being here. Again, my name is Ana Andrea, and I hope that you liked this video. I'll see you. Bye-bye.